an exciting year for CyberCube with regards to product and engineering development. I'm Yvette Essen, Head of Communications and Market Engagement for CyberCube, and joining me is Richard Ford, VP of Engineering. Richard, thank you very much for your time. I'd love to hear a little bit about what your priorities are for 2026.
Sure, Yvette, thanks. I'm pretty excited about this year. We're doing a lot. There's a lot going on, and it keeps me young, I think. We've got a lot of roadmap work. We're going to make a lot of improvements to signals, single risks, so that impacts our AM and BM products. But what I'm most excited about is some of the work we're doing on the underlying platform that supports all of CyberCube, helping making us more consistent, more reliable, and more flexible. And that's pretty exciting stuff.
So what does that mean? What does that entail in terms of platform development?
So a lot of the work we've done has been about getting products to market. And when you do that, you take the shortest distance between 2 points. You still build great products, but you build them in a way that perhaps the integration isn't as tight as it could be. As we take off more of the insurance value chain and more of the sort of different slices of insurance, having a really consistent view of the truth, what the world looks like and how the risk in that world exists, becomes increasingly important to our customers. Also, uptime and reliability are paramount as our customers build things into their workflows more. So what that means is we'll have one consistent view of data across our entire ecosystem, and we'll have models that are more modular, allowing us to make model updates and changes in ways that don't impact our customers until they're ready. Right? So change management will happen on their timescales and less on our timescale. And I think from what I hear from our customers, that'll be a big win for them.
And you touched on it a bit there, but what else do we expect this to mean for our customers and our clients?
I think we're moving into a season of volatility, especially when it comes around to single risk, but that has knock-on effects to sort of cat risk. And so what we need to do is build a platform that's capable of moving at effectively the speed of the cyber threat without requiring the rest of the world to move with us. So for our customers, the really big win that I see is it gives them a really agile platform that they can build their business around without having to deal with the sort of volatility that makes the insurance world hard. I think it's the best of both worlds, and I'll be excited to roll it out.
Brilliant. And rolling it out, how long is this going to take? What's the roughish timeline?
Right, so everyone asks that question, and this is a heavy engineering lift. But what we're doing is piece by piece. It's not some sort of big bang where we wait for 2 years and then poof, there it is. Thank goodness what we're doing is we're rolling out each part of it as it sort of becomes available. So we've already got parts of our data access layer running in production. When we relaunch ALM in the fall, we should be looking at having that fully platformed. So what you'll see is this year it's all about single risk. Next year it will be all about cat risk.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for your time, Richard. For CyberCube, I'm Yvette Essen.